Finally, I am inside Coco Beach Entebbe, so I decide to make a voiceover to avoid music copyright because inside will be a lot of music playing, guys. So the entry fee during weekend, which is Saturday and Sunday, guys, costs 10,000 Ugandan shilling for adult people, and during non-weekend days, which is only 5,000 Ugandan shilling. So basically, Coco Beach Entebbe is one of Uganda's most popular and vibrant lakeside destinations, located along Airport Road in Entebbe on the shore of Lake Victoria. This lively beach offers the perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and entertainment. Visitors can enjoy swimming, beach volleyball, football, boat ride, or simply relaxing on the sand while soaking in beautiful sunset view. The beach comes alive in the evening with music, DJs, and parties that attract both local and tourists. There are several beach bars and restaurants serving fresh grilled tilapia, local dish, and variety of cool drinks and cocktail. But note that outside food and drinks are not allowed. And it is best to bring cash, swimwear, sunscreen, and a towel. The beach is usually open daily from morning until late night, though it can be quieter on our weekend days and busiest on weekends. Although some people say the beach used to be off during Monday and Tuesday, so make sure to confirm before moving. Whether you are looking for a laid-back afternoon by the lake or a fun night out with music and friends, Coco Beach, according to me, offers an unforgettable Ugandan beach experience filled with local culture, great food, and a good vibe. And if you're planning to visit Coco Beach, from my own experience, guys, never ever feel shy or embarrassed. You can literally do whatever kind of fun, enjoyment, or craziness that you love to do, because I discovered that this is a peaceful and enjoyable place where you can enjoy, whether going with the family, kids, couples, or alone. This is a place you will find a really amazing and peaceful time.